Normandy family meal. Massage, good massage. Thank you, Piggy. Ding-a-ding, 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 ding-a-ding. Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're gonna cook you a very traditional, simple recipe from Normandy, where I am from. Some butter, coriander, potato, apples, garlic, onion, some olives, some mustard, some creme fraiche, and some white wine. Definitely salt and pepper. The first thing we're gonna do is to marinate it. We use our beautiful mustard. Just put it on top. Massage, good massage. Now one side is done. We do the other side. Pop done. Add some butter. Take this beautiful piece of pork. Thank you, Piggy. Let's see if we can do this. Look at this golden color. Lovely. Some coriander on top. We just wait for 3 to 4 minutes on the other side. We'll add a little bit more of the butter. This will help to caramelize. Now that we did this, black pepper, we're going to transfer this baking sheet very carefully. Done. We melt this butter. Onion, in, apple, in. We just want to give that a good toss, a good lump of wine in the side. We need to reduce this by almost half now. We put the potatoes on each side of the pork. Done. So sprinkle your olives. They will give you a fantastic taste. We did not put any salt. There is enough salt inside the mustard and you have enough salt inside those. Provence olive. Garlic chopped in, mixed. We pour on top evenly. Look at this beauty. Normandy family meal. Cover. I use a brown parchment paper. Tuck it inside. Oven preheated to 180 degrees in 1 hour to start. See you soon.
A few moments later.
Okay. Wow. You can hear it. It's singing to me. Look at that. It's hot. Put it on a tray, then cut it. Here's a singing hot bath. Wow. Oh, the smell is incredible. You seriously need to try this recipe. Let me know what you think. So to finish the sauce, a little bit mustard in, then the beautiful cream. We keep our potatoes, tomatoes, onion, and olives. We're gonna cut our beautiful pork, put it on top. Ding-a-ding, 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 ding-a-ding. The coriander rain. Let it rain, let it rain. Pure beauty. Little bit of hard work, but definitely worth it. So this is what I wanted to show you. Please share, like, and follow. Bye-bye.